Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this purple chevron accent for Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever you prefer. The colors that I'm going to be using today are from China Glaze. The darker purple is Stella, and the lighter color, which I'll also be using as my base color, is Let's Jam. Once I have my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex and tape. As usual for water marbling, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once you're done with your bullseye, you can pull the polish out to one side and then the other. And then go ahead and draw in some chevrons. Once you've got the design drawn, go ahead and line up your nail. And when you're happy with the angle, go ahead and dip in. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean up the excess polish. And then slowly pull out my nail. You can see there's a little bubble there. As I slowly pull out, it'll pop. And there's the water marble. I'm going to use a tweezer to remove my protection and then go ahead and do the rest of my accent nails. Go ahead and clean up around the edges and push flat any bubbles, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish with top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. here's the finished manicure, and I am coming to terms with it. It's not quite exactly what I wanted, but really it turned out pretty good. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.